Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent, the merciful. We have started our day with the name of Allah. My little friends, we must be thankful to Allah. We must say thank you to Allah. Okay? We must say thank you to Allah because He has given us another beautiful morning and beautiful day. Welcome back, my little friends, in your English class. It's all good to see you here. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Are you happy? Happy. Okay, smile. Say smile. Everyone smile. Do you like this? Smile. Oh, smile. Good. Okay. Is anyone sad? No one is sad there. Good. Okay, little friends, we're gonna get start our new English lesson. But before that, let's talk about the numbers. Do you know about the numbers? Yes, I'm talking about counting. Okay. So let's start counting with me. We will count 1 till 10. Okay, we will count 10 numbers. Okay, how many numbers? 10 numbers. Okay, let's start counting. You have to count with me. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, students, watch this video and then we will start our work together. Okay?
Who's she?
She's my friend Fifi.
Hello?
Oh, who's he?
He's my friend Benny.
Let's play. Okay, put on your coat.
My coat and my hat.
Put on your mittens, too.
Bye-bye, Mom.
Goodbye, Prickly. Goodbye, Benny. Goodbye, Fifi.
This is fun!
One 17. Sing and do.
Put on your hat. Put on your hat. Put on your hat.
Now you're ready for the outside boogie. Jump, jump, and boogie. Shake, shake, and boogie. Clap, clap, and boogie. Boogie outside all day.
your coat. Put on your coat.
Now you're ready for the outside boogie. Jump, jump, and boogie. Shake, shake, and boogie. Clap, clap, and boogie. Boogie outside all day.
Put on your mittens. Put on your mittens. Put on your mittens.
Now you're ready for the outside boogie. Jump, jump, and boogie. Shake, shake, and boogie. Clap, clap, and boogie. Boogie outside all day.
Kids, now tell me, did you enjoy that video and that song? Okay, now let's talk about these pictures. There are three characters, Fifi, Benny and Prickly. You can see in the second picture, Fifi and Benny came to Prickly's house and they wanted to take outside Prickly with them, that they want to play in the snow. Prickly's mother said that wear coat, hat and mittens. Now you can see in the fourth picture, they are playing in the snow and enjoying. Now we will discuss about the vocabulary words. We have vocabulary words from this lesson: hat, mittens, coat, friend, hello, goodbye, mom. Okay, you have to repeat: hat, mittens, coat, friend, hello, goodbye, mom. Okay, now kids, come to lesson number 4. On this page, count with me. Numbers are given as already discussed about the numbers. So here is number 1 given with mom's picture. You can see the outline is blue of this number 1. So color it blue. And 2 shoes. Count 1, 2. 2 shoes. And its outline is yellow, so take the yellow color and color it yellow. And in the third picture you can see coat, hat and mittens, so you have to color hat and mittens. Start coloring and finish it, and then we
1:18. Listen and point. Listen and repeat. 1,
1 mom.
Hello.
2,
2 shoes.
1:19. Chant and do.
Fingers ready? Count, count, count. Can you count these things? Count, count, count. Can you count and sing?
We can count. 1, 1, 1, 1. And now we can count 1 and give 1 kiss to mom. 1, 1, 1. And give 1 kiss to mom. 1, 1, 1. Now
Kids, now come to lesson number 5. In this lesson, you can see in this picture that how can you help your friends. So watch out this small act and then listen and repeat.
Please help me find my hat. Here it is. Thank you.
1. 20. Listen and point. Listen and repeat.
Please help me find my hat. Here it is. Thank you.
1. 21. Listen and chant.
Hands out. Let's help our friends. Hands out. Let's help our friends. Let's lend a helping hand.
Okay, this is the page from activity book. What you have to do: find and color. Find the coat, find the mittens, find the hat, and color it. Which is your favorite color? You can use those colors. So start coloring in it. When finished, then we come to the next page. Okay, stop video over here. Finish this one first, and then we come to next page. Okay kids, this is second page of activity book. What you have to do, you have to see the number first, match and color. Okay, see the number, then count the objects and match with it, and then color all these objects, pictures over here. Okay, number 1 is given. Match with one cap, one coat, and 2 shoes, and pair of 2 mittens. So match number 2 with 2 mittens and 2 shoes, and number 1 with 1 cap and 1 coat. Okay my students, say Allah Hafiz to your teacher. Allah Hafiz.